Have you ever booked a hotel and then you got disappointed by it? You can be sure that what you see online is actually the truth. Hi, my name is Albino from wowtravels, and our goal is to personally review all the hotels we offer to our partners and guests. In this video, I'm going to show you an honest review of one of our preferred hotels in Bali that we know since a long time, Belmond Jimbaran. Alright, so the things we like a lot about these hotels are: it's located 15 minutes away from Bali airport, very convenient if your flight arrives late at night or it departs very early in the morning. It offers an intimate experience with only 64 cottages and villas, where you can enjoy long walks during incredible sunsets. It's ideal for honeymooners and families that want to stay away from the crowd. It's located 30 minutes away from Uluwatu in the south of Bali, where you can visit Uluwatu temples, the Kecak dance, or simply enjoying the surfer's life. Or if you like parties, Seminyak and Canggu, it's only at 15 minutes away. At wowtravels, we exist to make your moments memorable, and we are always searching for boutique hotels that can make your stay in Indonesia memorable. If you like this video and you want hotel reviews like this one, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the logo below. See you in the next video!